Here's the app called Find My Phone, Friends and Family. So let's just install it and see how this app is working. So yeah, you can just share a real-time location with your friends and stay connected with your kids and know where your friends are or your kids are. Fast and easy way to locate and track your family, friends, and kids. You might be bothered by some questions: how to find your friends, find your family, where to find my phone, how to locate your phone. Find Friends and Family app is the way to answer them, which acts as a mobile location tracker. This family locator app helps you to get notification when your family arrives at their destinations and check in. Yeah, so that's the idea. Then you can just open it up and then yeah, start your free trial. Then $70 a year, or yeah, that's the idea. Then you can just sign in with Apple. Yeah, this app needs to be upgraded to be used. That's the way to get started, and that's what you have. So then you can just enter your name. Then here it is. You can add notifications. You can change your location and then just add a member. Find devices. Discover all the surrounding devices through Bluetooth. You can see like where people are traveling in your location. Then you can see family, so that's where the family is. Then you can also add a member to share this code to invite family members. Then you can see your contacts. You can see places like school, home, and company. You can see messages. You can see settings. So yeah, that's basically what you have here. And yeah, low battery notifications, power and network, status sharing, location sharing. So a bunch of handy features, which you can use and just to keep in track where your friends and relatives are located. So give it a try.